In this video, I will show you how to change your profile picture on Roblox on the PS5. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see, on the home screen for Roblox. Now to go ahead and change your profile picture, what you need to do is come up to the top and you want to go to your avatar. From here, what you can do is go ahead and customize your avatar so you can add different items and of course purchase different items for your avatar. So you just want to make your changes using the items in this section. Now once you've actually gone ahead and done that and you're happy with your avatar, what you can then do is come back, and on this screen you're going to see an option to edit profile picture. So if you click onto this, and what you can do is change your profile picture. So for example, we can select an emote to pose our avatar. So let's say for example the point emote, like this. So these are free ones. There are also some paid for ones that you can pay using Robux. And basically once you're happy with your changes, what you can do is come down to the bottom and press next. And from here, what you can do is actually position the camera so you can zoom in and out of your picture. So as you can see, we can zoom out of the picture so we can have that point emote showing like this. And we can also rotate the camera. So you just want to press X onto each bar. Then you can move the sliders along to choose this, and once that's done, come down and press next at the bottom. As you can see, it says looking good. Both views will be used as your profile photo across the app. So just go ahead and press save. And that's going to take you back to this screen here. So as you can see, our profile picture up here in the avatar option has now changed. So that is how to change your profile picture on Roblox on PS5. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.